How to wirelessly charge an iPhone. So if you didn't know guys, iPhones actually have wireless charging capabilities. So it is done through a coil that is over here and a few magnets that surround it for when we want to actually charge it. So it fixates on the charger, right? So I have this wireless charging power bank over here and it can charge any iPhone. So to charge an iPhone with the power bank, I just have to stick this over here. And as you can see over here, the phone is actually charging with this power bank. Now this is loose because this is not a MagSafe cover. The what is a MagSafe cover? With magnets, one circular magnet and one small magnet over here. You can see a few on the screens as well. If I take off this cover, which does not have MagSafe support, and if I connect the power bank over here, you can see that it is actually strong enough to hold my phone. So as you can see again, it is actually going to wirelessly charge my phone, and there are no wires connected as well. Similarly, to charge the phone, you can also use a wireless charging pad like I have over here, and you can charge your phone with it. So what that means is I can just place my phone over here and it is actually going to start charging, and that is very handy. There are no wires that are connected to it. So there you have it. Those are two ways to wirelessly charge your iPhone. So if you want, I'll leave some wireless chargers that are available in the description as well as on the screen. See you in the next video guys.